All right, today I'm going to show you how to remove a stain using detergent and a little bit of water. All right, so first of all, you have your stain. Now what you're going to do, if it's dry, you're going to take some water and just dab some water on the stain, just like that. All right, and after you've dabbed the water to the stain, you're going to take your detergent. Right here I've Dawn detergent, and I'm going to place a few drops on the stain, and then I'm going to rub it in like this. Rub it in. Maybe put a little bit more water on it, just like that. Just make sure you get it good and moistened. And then rub it in. And you may let this sit overnight or let it sit up to 1 week before you wash it in detergent with warm water, and the stain will be gone. And that's how you remove a stain. Let me know if you have any questions.